Howdy folks! Check out this business laptop. It's the last year's Dell Latitude 7420 with 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor. It's a plain cardboard box. Inside we only get this travel charger, the laptop and some papers. This PC feels well made and robust, and the carbon cover looks sleek. On the right side we have the SIM tray, SD card slot, USB Type-C port, single USB Type-A, HDMI, and a lock hole. On the rear side we only have this air vent and these nice hinges. On the left side we have another Type-C port, an air grill and a headphone jack. Pretty modest, I would say. And this is the standard Type-C 65 watts travel charger. Not much to say about it. As I open the lid, we see that the screen bezels are pleasantly slim. The keyboard is nicely sized and soft and comfortable to use. The touchpad looks nice and big, but the right click and left click are not great, and you will need some practice to learn how to press it properly. There's nothing of interest on the plastic back cover. Removing it is easy, just unscrew these 8 standard Phillips screws, and it opens. No need to scratch the laptop with prying tools, like with Lenovo for example. Inside we got this large, 4-cell, 63-watt lithium battery. If you keep the laptop on constant power, this will almost certainly swell up pretty quickly. Just like with all the other recent Latitude models, this one also disappoints with built-in, soldered, non-upgradable RAM. It's nice that you can still upgrade the NVMe storage and, perhaps, add a cellular modem. But that sums up all your upgrade options. By default this comes with Windows 10 Pro and it takes only a few minutes to get it working. It's very nice to see this infrared proximity camera with Windows Hello support and the nifty privacy shutter. In total, the laptop is well built and looks good. But the soldered RAM, the single USB port, the relatively high weight, the limited screen contrast, and high price make it far from perfect. Dell practically forces you to buy it with plenty of RAM and a docking station, which also adds considerable sum to the overall price. Externally it's almost identical to the newer Latitude 7430 model. Cheers!